How to remove the camera lens tempered glass protector on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now you can see down here there is a little bit of crack already, so we're going to remove it. To do so, we're going to use a plastic prying tool. Now always use plastic, don't use anything with metal, it can cause scratches to your lens. It'd be helpful if you have a guitar pick as well, or simply a plastic card. Here, because I have this prying tool, I can use it. Now we'll begin at the corner. So here, by inserting at the corner, you can push it in like this and upwards. So just push it in and upwards like that. Just simply be patient, it doesn't come off straight away. Now you can see it's starting to lift off as I put some pressure in it. So here, if you want, you can also insert a picker as well, because the picker will have the angle here. So with this picker you can just kind of like glide in. Okay, so if it doesn't glide in, we can have it prepare like this and then push it up. So I have it ready, and then I'll push it up at the one corner. Here it's already actually coming off, so you don't need the picker, but if you have a picker you can use it as well. So now it's slowly coming off. We can insert the guitar picker in there and then push around to remove the glass protector. And here it is, so I'm going to lift it up like so, and then take out the broken glasses, and that's it. So that is the original camera lens. Once we remove the protector, this is what it should look like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.